Innovative Kids channel.
Hello, kids and parents. Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Let's learn 300 fun, easy daily English sentences together. Practice speaking English every day.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
The milk is cold.
The milk is cold.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I wear my clothes.
I wear my clothes.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I go to school.
I go to school.
The bus is here.
The bus is here.
I sit with my friends.
I sit with my friends.
We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
The bell rings.
The bell rings.
I go to class.
I go to class.
The teacher is kind.
The teacher is kind.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I ask a question.
I ask a question.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I read a story.
I read a story.
I go home.
I go home.
I see my mom.
I see my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I eat a snack.
I eat a snack.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I help with dinner.
I help with dinner.
We set the table.
We set the table.
We eat together.
We eat together.
I talk to my family.
I talk to my family.